Welcome to Oma's Taste. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to make a delicious okra soup with mushroom. Yes, this okra soup is very nice that you can eat it alone as a meal or you can accompany them with any swallow of your choice. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's dive into the video. In the pot, I have some protein, which is beef and cow food. You can make use of any proteins of your choice. And in there, I am adding crushed onions, pepper, salt, and seasoning stock. After that, I'll go ahead and stir them, cover them, and allow them to steam, release its own juice for some time before I add water. While that is going on, let me show you the ingredients that I have for this recipe. You need okra. I have grated one and cut one. Here is the protein that I have cooked, the stock and the protein. I have 2 salmon fish, that is the medium size of them. And also here is the mushroom that I will be using to prepare this okra soup that made it so nice. Here I have prawns, I have iru and onions, and this prawn I deheaded it and I blend them with onion and pepper. Here is also uziza leaf. Here is the whole ingredients and the list will be in the description box. Let's dive into the video. To palm oil, I will add the iru and the onions. This is to activate the flavor. If you understand what I mean, if you know this iru, then you will know what is happening in this kitchen now. While it fried for 2 minutes, I will go ahead and pour in the grounded prawns head, pepper, and onions. I will allow them to fry until they are well fried. Just fry this for at least 8 minutes on a medium heat because it's small. That's why you're frying for 8 minutes. And here they are. The next thing to do is to add the mushroom and don't fry them much. I will be doing a lot of stirring in this video because we don't want to cook everything so well, because we want to eat them half cooked. Yes, apart from the meat that is already cooked. All right, I'll just go ahead and give them a stir for like 2 minutes like this, and it is ready. Don't stir alone again. Next is to add the prawns. At this stage, if you want to add crayfish, you can go ahead and add, but you know that prawns have much taste, so I've already blended the heads and now I am adding this one. It was perfect. If I needed crayfish, I would have added, but if you like it so tasty, you can add more crayfish. After that, I'll cover it for a little time before I'll go ahead and add the other ingredients. Now add the grated okra, the stock, and stir very well. Add the proteins that you are using, especially the beef and the stock and the cow food. Stir to combine. This is all about this soup. Cover it and allow it to cook for at least 2 minutes. Then next, you add the uziza, because uziza is dry leaf. You don't want to add it at the end because it will still be strong. Now I will gently add the fish. I have broken them in 2. I'll just gently. The reason why I'm using this stick to stir is because it will not be able to, you know, disintegrate everything that are there, especially the fish. So I use a stick to turn them and everything will remain okay. Lastly is the cut okra. You are adding this and you won't allow it to cook for long. No, Just stir it, and if you need water, I think I added water to this, yes, because the soup is very thick. Even if you add a cup of water to this soup, it will still be nice. And remember, I didn't add salt or seasoning cube again because the one I got from the stock is enough. This soup don't have water, so the one we had from the stock is very enough. It's very important when you are cooking, you make sure you don't over salt it because you won't enjoy it. Even if it's beautiful and it's salty, nobody will enjoy it. So I'll just go ahead and add the little water now, and the soup was still okay. If you're still here, thank you so much. If you like okra soup, let me know in the comment section. Do you like okra soup? Yes, if you do, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate all the new ones here. You are highly welcome. I don't know which of the video that brought you to my channel, but you are welcome. So now the soup is ready. I allowed it to cool off at least for like 30 minutes because you can see all the oil are on top. I'll just go ahead and serve them. How do you like eating your okra soup? With fufu, eba, semo, pounded yam? For me, whatever I see, I will just swallow it with. I mean, any swallow of that is close to me. I'm not a fan of gari when it comes to eating okra soup. Thank you so much. So this first one that I served was just for licking. You just lick it without fufu, and it's very filling. But for the second one, you can eat it this way. Just unwrap your fufu. I've already turned the fufu because once this type of soup is ready, you don't wait for anything. All you want to do is to eat. So I'll go ahead and serve the okra soup by the corner. It was very satisfying. Very satisfying. Thank you for watching today's video. I truly appreciate. Please don't forget to drop that comment, drop your like, share this video if you can, so that we'll be able to reach to people who are not close here. Thank you so much. I'm so happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.